Gracias. Today is April 10th. In the United States, it's probably April 11th, or definitely. And today is your birthday, so I wish you a happy birthday. And I wish that, what I wish we could be together, but last year we did, and this year we won't. But hey, greeting you from Philadelphia. Happy, and all the best to you, more success. And you're one of my best friends, Gracia. Happy birthday to you. Okay? Take care. Signing off from Philadelphia, April 10th, 2015.